What's up, guys?
Hi.
Today
We're gonna be playing Subway Surfs, and we're gonna see how me and my sister we all get coins. So,
yeah, me and my sister we are basically recording.
Yeah, we're both recording.
You can go check out her channel.
Yes, my channel.
Yep.
So yeah, let's get started. Ready? Go. And I'm really good at this game.
Same.
I play it every day. Almost every day. Sometimes.
Sometimes I do, but
sometimes I play Roblox. Sometimes
if you guys don't know what's Roblox, like a type of game that
yeah.
I'm so addicted that it's on
I
my
love,
mind.
but this is my favorite game of Roblox. Robloxian High School.
Robloxian High School. I do love Robloxian High School.
But it's laggy for us.
Yeah, so if you don't know what's laggy means that.
Like when your screen doesn't really work that much, that it's laggy. Like pretend like in your brain right now. Pretend your hand is right in front of you. And then you move it like really slow. That is laggy. But like your hand kind of like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I can't really explain it. Can I get my skateboard?
Ooh, what is that?
If you guys hear something, then that is slime. We got some slime in the TV right now, so.
I'm not gonna lie, she's so addicted to slime.
I love slime. Slime is so cool. It's relaxing for you, and it's nice for you.
Once when you bought slime, dang, Mom got mad. Like, you made a mess everywhere.
You made a mess too. You were in it with me.
Dang it!
Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a loading ad. For free.
You know that you can pause? Okay,
yeah,
she'll be right back.
Yeah, a little too long to
okay,
get out
guys,
of that.
we're back. Sorry about the waiting.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Brett!
I did a coin. And I still have my coins, yeah. That's why I get my skateboard out, because I'm scared.
I only have like 9 skateboards.
I already wasted my skateboard. I already have 4.
Bruh, you only have 3.
No, I have 4.
Nuh-uh, because you already used 3.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
I had word hunt complete.
I just wasted 3 keys. Ooh. And I had 11.
I know, I saw.
Oh, this is my favorite. I don't know why I'm going so fast.
Because the more faster you get, the more faster you get.
I went crazy.
You have no parents. Oh my god, ew.
Okay, guys, so this won't take too long.
You could just pause the video.
No, I don't. This one takes
pause.
too long. Dang it.
Defeated.
Okay, guys, I will be right back.
Woo! It's very, very, very. Yeet.
Okay, guys, I am back. I'm back. It's just I died.
You didn't die. You got captured.
Oh my gosh! Look, I'm going so fast.
Well, you're always fast. Look how many you wasted like a lot of keys.
No, I just do the TV thingy for free.
Wait, what? But this time I won't. I'm going so fast now.
I know, I can see. Dang. I don't really want to waste all my skateboards and just like not dying. No! The mystery box.
I wanted the jackpack.
Jetpack. It's not jackpack.
Jetpack.
You said jackpack.
Nuh-uh. I said jetpack.
No, you said jackpack. I can jump like through trains. Like, look.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Oh! You got a hat. But you already have a hat.
Yeah. Oh, I have another prize. I didn't know that. Okay, I got this. Let's see how much coins I got.
Oh, I got a hat. I don't need any more hats.
I'm gonna get my result.
Brett, really coins. Well, you got that?
Almost there. Go for a medal next time we do.
Oh, you mean this? Or where?
Right there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna play one more round.
What?
Okay.
I'm in brown, silver, gold, diamond. I want to get diamond.
Too bad.
Let's see.
Guys, I got her too. I got Lucy.
Oh, I
I
thought
got
you
the
did.
word. A word. Finally, I got 11 back.
What the heck?
I mean, I got 3 back. I'm gonna play one more round and I'm gonna end the video.
Yep, same.
So better to try not to die because I really. Oh, and after this video, I'm gonna post another one about Roblox. Me and my sister in Meep City.
Yeah,
So,
basically.
yeah, you guys better get ready for that.
We're gonna do a role play there.
Grab your snacks, everything. Why are you playing with one hand? Let's see if we can play with one hand. Challenge.
It's pretty hard.
That's not. Well, kinda, because you can't really hold the tablet.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost died right there. Whatever, I'm gonna play with 2 hands.
I'm playing with one. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
My hand cannot hold it that much.
Okay, so far I'm good.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Yay! Oh!
Yeah, I got the jetpack.
Sorry.
Guys, if you guys hear something, that is my brother.
He's
So,
annoying.
yeah.
So he's
annoying.
He's a little bit dirty. Okay.
Ew, he smells like juice.
Don't say that. He's our brother, so you gotta deal with him. Basically, our family speaks in Spanish. I don't know why I thought we were gonna get a good family, but it turns out we don't because we clean all day, and I have to clean right now. And my mom says I have to clean, and I didn't clean, so I have to clean now. So till this after this, she's gonna see that.
Hey guys, I got the jetpack again.
Okay, you want a bottle? Okay.
My brother right there. Papa, no. No. I hit myself. Dude, jeez, the policeman.
I die.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna die too soon before I get 500.
So guys, well,
You gotta end your video.
I'm gonna end my video right now. So see you guys. Bye.
I'm gonna end my video too.
So bye. I hope you
Wait, guys,
love it.
I am gonna open my mystery boxes.
You
Okay, let's see how much. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give us like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.